Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import Maximo animation to Prisma 3D on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened the Mixamo.com. First of all, you can visit this website, and if you want to get animation for free, you need to sign in with your Google account. And here I have signed in so I can download animation for free. Okay, there are a lot of animations we can download, and we can choose the animation we want to import to Prisma 3D. And for example, I'm going to select this animation. Okay, tap on the animation you want to download, and you can scroll down here. Okay, and then we can simply click on download, and you can choose the format, the scan, frames per second, and also keyframe reduction. And I'm just going to leave it like that and wait. Now the animation is being downloaded. Okay, let me check it. All right, and we just need to wait for a moment until the animation completely downloaded. All right, now it's done, and it's time to go to the Prisma 3D application. Okay, this one, and we're going to create a new project here. So tap on new project, and then we're going to scroll down until we find the import button. Okay, and you can import the animation you have just downloaded from Maximo. Okay, I'm just going to search for the animation. Okay, this one guys, tap on the animation and hold on. Okay, and I'm going to click on yes. Okay, all right, and now the animation has been imported to the Prisma 3D application, and this is how the animation looks like. Okay, and then you can continue the editing in Prisma 3D application. Okay guys, and that's all the way to import the Maximo animation to Prisma 3D application on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.